Reading Pioneers is proud to present, for St. Patrick's Day, Good Luck, a St. Patrick's Day story by Joan Holub, illustrated by Will Terry. Parade, said Wade. Green bike, said Mike. Green hat, said Matt. Green ant, said Grant. Catch him, said Jim. But why? Asked Guy. For luck, said Chuck. That way, said Jay. No ant, said Grant. No luck, said Chuck. A clue, said Drew. Hey, look, said Brooke. Chase him, said Jim. No ant, said Grant. No luck, said Chuck. Clue 2, said Drew. Up there, said Claire. Get him, said Jim. No ant, said Grant. No luck, said Chuck. Clue 3, said Dee. Green ant, said Grant. Grab him, said Jim. Climb it, said Kit. Look in, said Lynn. Oh boy, said Roy. A treat, said Pete. Good luck, said Chuck. Thank you everyone for joining us today with the story, Good Luck, a St. Patrick's Day story. What did you guys think? Comment below your thoughts about the story. Do you believe in luck? And did you enjoy the rhyming words throughout this book? I uploaded this video to help celebrate St. Patrick's Day, and I hope you can share this with your friends and families so you also can enjoy the holiday with them. If you have any suggestions for future videos you'd like to have uploaded on this YouTube channel, you can write them down in the comment section or private message me through email contact@readingpioneers.com. There are many stories on this channel already, and there are more to come. Until the next upload, here is another St. Patrick's Day video you can watch and enjoy with us. Well, that's all the time we have for today in this video. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and may the luck of the Irish be with you.